Are you a developer looking to level up your skills, or maybe just starting out and wondering what tools you should learn? Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why every developer should learn GitHub. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will see why GitHub is an absolute game changer for your development journey. So stick around. Hi, welcome back. I'm Aftab Said and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things related to tech and development. Today, I'm going to dive into GitHub, one of the most powerful tools for developers. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started, GitHub has something to offer. So let's get straight into it. My favorite reason to use GitHub is, of course, collaboration. GitHub makes it incredibly easy to collaborate with other developers. Whether you're working on a team project or contributing to open source, GitHub provides tools like pull requests, you're doing code reviews, you're doing issue tracking to streamline the process. You can work on the same code base with developers from all over the world, making it a fantastic platform for teamwork. Reason number 2, version control. GitHub is built on Git, a powerful version control system. This means you can track your changes, revert to previous versions, let's say if you mess up, and have manage multiple branches. It's like a time machine. If you mess up something, you did something wrong, you can always go back, like undo, kind of an undo, like big major undo. Keeps everything organized and under control, basically. Reason number 3, portfolio building. Your GitHub profile can serve as a portfolio to showcase your work to potential employers or clients. By sharing your projects and contribution, you can demonstrate your skills and experience. It's a great way to make a strong impression and stand out in the job market. Plus, having a well-maintained GitHub profile shows you that you are active in the developer community and you're always making a contribution, you're learning things. So this is a best way to showcase that you are still learning few things. Reason number 4, GitHub is not just a tool for experienced developers, it's also a fantastic learning resource. You can explore countless open projects, read other people's code, even contribute to projects you are passionate about. This hands-on experience is invaluable in learning new skills and improving your code abilities. Plus, you will be a part of community that values your knowledge and sharing continuous improvement. Sometimes you look at someone else's code and you see how they are doing things. They may be having a better way to do things, so you will learn along the way. Reason number 5, integration and tools. GitHub integrates with a wide range of tools and services that can enhance your development workflow, from continuous integration and development and CI/CD pipelines to project management tools like Trello, Jira, you name it. GitHub can be a central hub for all your development needs. These integrations can help automate your task, improve efficiency, and keep your project running smoothly. Now, let's look at some real world examples. Major tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Facebook use GitHub for their open source projects. Even smaller startups and individuals, developers rely on GitHub to manage their code and collaborate with others. All right, ready to get started with GitHub? It's easy. First, create an account. First, create an account on github.com, then download and install Git on your computer. There are plenty of tutorials available to help you learn the basics of GitHub and Git. Start by creating a small repository, make some commits, and pushing your code to the GitHub. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become, the more it will become a second nature. Then you would figure out eventually how things work, how all the pieces are connected together. So there you have it. 5 compelling reasons why every developer should learn GitHub. From collaboration and version control to building a portfolio and continuous learning. Well, GitHub is an essential tool for any developer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.